Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best amp wiring kits available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Stinger 4000 series amp wiring kit. This Stinger kit is designed to supply all the power you'll ever require to create an output that is higher quality. The wiring kit includes all oxygen-free copper wiring powered by completely 1/2 AWG cables that are sufficient to power a huge subwoofer. It is important to note that this kit doesn't include speaker wire as well as RCA cable. You'll need to purchase them later in contrast to other kits. This kit isn't equipped with certain of the features found in other wiring kits listed and is available online, including those for the speaker as well as RCA wires. It is less expensive due to this kit is freeing funds for you to pick the speaker you want and RCA cabling. However, it's not as inexpensive as we'd think, and the addition of speakers and RCA cables will make it further to the edges of budgets for most. At number 4 is the Rockford Fosgate 4 AWG Complete Installation Kit. The Rockford Fosgate brand is well recognized by car audio enthusiasts and has been for a long time. The company makes a great product and many people purchase it, which can be seen in the price that is higher than other products in this list. In the end, you're getting what you pay for. Utilizing oxygen-free copper and a thick outer sheath helps keep your connections in good shape and prevents the elements keep the wire from corroding. This kit is able to meet most of the needs of people in the event that the requirement is for a car or a small truck and the lengths required to accommodate a larger SUV aren't included. It is likely that you will have to buy additional kits to build such vehicles. But the sound quality of this wiring kit will be a shock to anyone who has utilized Rockford before, since it provides premium audio. It's pricey, but it's ideally suitable for those who have no issue paying to get the company's high quality and power. At number 3 on our list is the LeigesAudio 4 Reuben Florens amp wiring kit. We selected this model from LeigesAudio because of its lightweight and affordable cost. This kit is exactly what it claims to be and more. Although it's not going to pump a lot of power into your car's sound system, it's sufficient for the majority of installations. The signal is transmitted by oxygen-free copper. The power is carried by the copper-clad aluminum cabling that is 4-gauge. The kit comes with receives 17 feet of 4-gauge wiring, in addition to another 17 feet worth of 16-gauge wiring. The 80 amp fuse all of the connections, looms, and terminals you'll need, as well as further 17 feet wire in 18-gauge. It's also among the lightest items that we've reviewed, making it easier for installation. There are some problems, however. Power cables are a bit thinner than the majority, which could cause power problems down the line. Moving up at number 2 is the InstallGear 4-gauge Complete Amp Kit. The amp wiring kit offered by InstallGear is certainly budget-friendly, however, it shows in the high-end materials used. It utilizes copper-clad aluminum wiring and extra-large wires to ensure better signal transmission. However, it only has enough speaker wire for about 2 speakers, which is only 17 feet long. This means that it does not cover all speakers of larger audio systems or automobiles. The sacrifice of quality for low-end equipment, however, is utilized to keep the cost at a low level, which it definitely does. While this kit might not be as effective as other options, however, it's more reliable than other options for budget on the market. When you're just beginning your journey into audio, affordable and good or great to have. At number 1 is the NVX 4-gauge car amp install kit. This kit was created by audio professionals and sound engineers, keeping the idea of simplicity and authenticity. The majority of the wires are transparent, specifically to ensure that one can be able to see the number of wires within the insulation, as well as the size of these wires are, and what wires are connected to which. With nickel-plated connections and oxygen-free wiring, this kit keeps your signal clear of distortion that is caused by corrosion, which keeps the quality of your audio high and ensures that your wires last for a long duration. The flexible wiring helps keep individual strands of wire from snapping. They are longer than other kits to allow you to have enough length to allow you to install a complete 4-door system in any vehicle, even the largest. Certain wires are silver-tinned for additional resistance against breaking down. They're more expensive, but they are also more durable. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.